This segment is sponsored in part by Yesi Style.
Cinco de Mayo is this Friday, and one of the wonderful things about the Mexican culture is their love to celebrate and share their holidays and, of course, all of their customs with everyone else. And like many cultures, gatherings around food, they're a mainstay.
I mean, what's better than food
Nothing.
at a gathering?
Nothing.
So joining us now is lifestyle expert Yesi De Avila, who has brought us, look at this spread, some wonderful food and drink ideas to celebrate Cinco de Mayo.
Feliz 2 de Mayo.
Feliz 2 de Mayo. We're almost there. And it's on a Friday. How fitting.
That's
Yes,
right.
I mean,
what are we starting with? Salsa?
I'm starting with all the things that you need for having a great Cinco de Mayo party.
Okay.
The makers of HERDEZ salsa. They're the #1 salsa in Mexico.
Okay.
And the fastest growing brand of guacamole in the U.S.
I'm loving
Even
it.
the producer looked at it, was like, is this really, it's probably made in Brooklyn? No.
No.
This is like authentic.
You got this from Sunset Park.
Mexico.
No, you got this from
They really
Mexico.
have a wide array of salsas, sauces, street sauces, guacamole.
Well, I'm
and
not going to be
they-
shy.
I was just going to say, I am
please don't be shy.
salivating. Let me.
I mean, this fresh salsa is refrigerated salsa, and you can really taste the bold, authentic flavors, serrano peppers, tomato, garlic, onions, all the things you need to make your gathering.
This tastes like you made it this morning, like you chopped the tomatoes.
Love
That's
that.
delicious.
And it's so easy, and you're gonna have like an amazing party if you just, it's really tastes authentic.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm from LA, I've tasted a lot of good salsas, and this is
That is for
off
real.
the charts.
Okay.
Really,
For real,
really
for
good.
real.
That's
you
fantastic.
You give it one Maraca shake? Several Maraca
It
shakes.
gets 2 Maraca shakes.
Excellent.
Yay.
All right, what do we have next on this beautiful
so
spread?
the guacamoles. Of course, you need this for your party.
Yes.
And this is just, I mean, have a little taste. The
I wanna have a-
guac
I
is
wanna have
a lot of
great.
taste.
I wanna have a lot of taste.
I'm
It
not
gives
even
you-
going to pretend that I didn't
You
just
know
already
what
try
I
it.
love about this guacamole? Again, it's giving you the true flavors of Mexico,
yes.
and with the right kick of heat and that creamy dip that
How do
you
you say
want in a
avocado?
Aguacate.
guacamole. Aguacate.
Aguacate.
Right.
Aguacate,
Muy bueno.
delicioso, HERDEZ, traditional. I love that it has no preservatives. It
Ah.
doesn't taste like it has like the funny
Again?
stuff in it. Super genuine, authentic, bold flavors from Mexico. It's really giving you that modern Mexican cuisine brought to life. In
I love
this
it.
guac.
And it
Gorgeous.
tastes super fresh.
It does.
Yes,
And
it
have,
really
I mean,
tastes.
you can have everything for your party. They have condiments and sauces.
Right.
Wide.
Do
array.
this for your party. Make your life easier so
Yes.
you can spend time with
Super
your friends and
easy.
family.
And you can put it into one of your favorite dishes, or
Zhuzh it
of
up.
course, just yeah.
A zhuzh.
and
How many
there you
Maraca
go.
with
with
the-
the
how many-
veggies and
This, I wish I had 4.
All
Okay,
right.
on to my favorite portion of the party.
Obviously, it's not a party if you don't have some drinks.
Da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Tequila.
Espolón has all the great drinks. What I love is that all of their expressions are super smooth and
Yes.
crisp, and they mix well with everything.
Okay.
Of course, my favorite thing to mix your margarita or your paloma is
Yes.
the blanco.
Yes.
Okay.
Super great. And I know that you love the spicy rim, chica.
I
Is that, uh-oh.
She's just like me.
I like
brought
it.
you one too, Alex.
Oh
So
my God.
Give it a taste.
Let's give it a whirl.
I
Please,
mean,
twist my arm.
it's super,
It's
super
10:37, but come on.
great. It's 2 de Mayo.
Ah.
Salud.
Tell us about a pop-up party. That's
Oh,
delicious.
yes. So Espolón is going to have a pop-up
That's
party
nice.
in the Stadium Goods in Soho.
Great.
So it's going to be on May 19th, and you're all invited to come and sip their signature cocktails and score some Stadium Good merch, the Cinco de Mayo streetwear collection.
Oh.
So all invited May 19th at Stadium Goods in Soho.
Yesi, you've outdone yourself. I don't know
This is next
the
level.
whole thing.
Just, can we ship this to Jersey City as is?
Yes,
for my
exactly.
Cinco de
All
Mayo?
of your parties will be memorable. HERDEZ,
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Espolón.
Thanks for these
Mwah.
fantastic ideas.
I love
For
it.
more of Yesi's celebration tips, follow her on Instagram at Yesi Style Media. Thank you so much.